Hello everyone, thank you for coming back to another video. And I'm here still in Jaco, Costa Rica. And this is the mouth of the river, but I'm going to ask you one favor. Please hit the like button, the thumbs up button, and if it's your first time here, please subscribe. I would appreciate it. So we all know that there's so much plastics and junk in the oceans and the beaches. So one of the things that I started doing I like to do an afternoon walk, is picking up garbage, plastics in particular. Now, at first I started with just picking stuff up, but then I started taking a bag with me and just picking up. I think my record is 7 lighters in one outing, and I take a bag with me just about every day, about 5 days a week. So here's different footages from different bags of everything from bottle caps to plastic cups to straws, pieces of shoes, you name it, sandals. The most common thing is actually bottle caps. So plastic is it's everywhere. So no one's asked me to do this, and I actually enjoy it, honestly. Instead of just walking on the beach. And I've had people come up to me and even bring me extra bags, because my bags usually get pretty full. And watch till the end, and you'll see the biggest bag I've brought up yet. Because when I start, there's nothing in the bag, and then by the time I come back, this little grabber that I brought from the States makes a big difference, because I don't have to bend over and pick up the trash, and it just makes it so much more efficient. So this is footage from the different days, and I go after all the small stuff too, not just the large pieces. So while enjoying this beautiful stretch of beach, now I do notice that they do have people that come and clean, but as each tide rises and goes out, there's always stuff that gets washed up. And in here, I brought a bigger bag today. Today's actually Saturday, and I'll be uploading this video on Sunday. But today's the 22nd, I think, of March. And I came here yesterday, and there was just so much stuff here at the opening of this river that I wanted to come back and bring a bigger bag. So while everybody's enjoying this beautiful beach, I also enjoy the scenery, and I love walking the beach here. I swim in the pool and I walk on the beach. Today's a red flag day, so if you come out here on vacation, you got to be very careful. Jaco has strong rip tides. So this is actually the biggest bag I've brought out here, and this is just I don't feel myself doing it. I guess I need to get a camera person, maybe even a model, to start starring in my videos, because I know this is not the most attractive thing to look at, picking up garbage, but like I said, for me, it's almost like therapeutic, just to know that I'm doing something that it makes me happy. That's all I can say. I like doing this. I actually look forward to the afternoon when it's a little cooler, so I can go and pick up plastics. Now this piece will fill up the bag, so I'm not going to take it to the toilet seat. So it's not actually plastic. It's made out of wood. So, but right here, there's lots of stuff, and once the rainy season comes, all this stuff that I'm picking up will get washed out into the ocean, because the mouth of this river. And so anyway, this is my new hobby here. There's worse things to do with my time. Well, thank you for watching this far. I appreciate it. It's a beautiful sunset. It's a beautiful place. And if we all can do a little bit to clean up this planet that we call home, I think it's a good thing. Thanks for watching. Pura vida. And have a wonderful weekend. We'll see you on the next video.